Hey, Joe here. Today, I need to get started mounting this keypad, these trim knobs, and this dash in my race car. So, let's just get started. Got a quick measurement of that hole there. It's about 8.5 by 4.5. I'm going to cut the piece of plastic a little bit bigger, just to make sure that it fits, and I can always cut it down from there. This is a good start. I got it cut to size, and I got some holes drilled where I think they go. So I just gotta go ahead and stick it in there and see if the holes line up and it fits okay. All right, that does screw in there. The holes do line up for the other two holes. I just don't have screws long enough to put them in there, so I'm gonna have to go hunt some down. I'm probably going to go ahead and cut the holes in this piece of plastic that I need in order to mount the keypad there while I'm out of the car. Alright, there's that. We'll see if I can get this thing to fit in there. There's that. Just going to tighten those nuts up and test fit this thing. For these trim modules, I cut a piece of plastic to fit on the back of this. That's how I decided to do it. I got some marks there. I'm going to drill holes and mount these trim modules in that plastic. So I have each hole for each trim knob and then each locator hole too, which orients the trim knob correctly so that 1 through 12 line up on the labels. There's that. That actually looks pretty good. I'm happy with that. I couldn't have asked for better. So I'm gonna get this mounted in the car. Okay, never mind. It's better with a red and a yellow knob on the outers. Way better. Both of those came out pretty good. I just need that trim ring around the radio hole there and it'll be looking good. Then I gotta work on this dash. I'm gonna try to mount the dash in here in the factory surround of the cluster. I got this piece that Haltech supplied and I've traced around it roughly the shape of this shroud. I just need to trim it out and see how it fits in the dashboard and see what I need to do to get it mounted in there with this on top of it. Alright, I got that thing trimmed up and some places that I need to drill some holes marked. Gonna see if we can make this fit. Had to modify it here because I messed up and started this whole project upside down. That fits in there again now. Well, we're starting to get somewhere now. I gotta see if I can get some screws in these holes and then see if, this thing fits over it okay. Man, somehow I managed to get all 4 of those screws in there. This upper corner here is a little hacked, like kind of a notch, but that's in there good. A little bit of a notch too, but these are smooth. These are clean. Right in there. Nice work, right? All right. Let's see if the next part goes in as good. Well, that's not bad at all. Oops. I gotta get that little paint pen mark off of there. But that's that. And it doesn't look so bad. I cleaned it up a little bit so you could get a good look of how it finally came out. I can't turn it on right now because I have some things to finish up here. See you next time.
Put cheese on it.